Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to whiten teeth in a photo using Photoshop Express on our iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Photo Editor. Now select the photo where you want to whiten the teeth. Photos with clear face works best. After the photo opens, look at the bottom menu, slide and tap on teeth. To use these features, you have to buy a subscription. Without it, you can use. Once you purchase the subscription, Photoshop Express will automatically detect the face and teeth in your photo. You will now see your whitening slider on the screen. Slowly move the slider to the right to make the teeth whiter. Don't overdo it. Small adjustments look more natural. Once you are happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the change. Finally, tap save to keep the photo on your iPhone or tap save to post it on social media. And that's it. You have successfully whitened teeth using Photoshop Express on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.